Okay, so here we are back inside of our tracking solution. Here goes our campaigns that we set up earlier. Right now we don't really have any type of click data. There's a few clicks here, but those are just irrelevant. Right now all of our campaigns are set up for direct link only. We're going to go ahead and add in some landing pages, and I'm going to show you how to put those in and how to rotate through those. Okay, so for now what you need to do is once you find a campaign that you want to add landing pages to, and we'll just use this one as an example since they're all pretty much the same. What you need to do is click on the edit button and then scroll down. See, so right now it says campaign type, direct link, landing page, and path. It's checked on direct link right now. So when that's checked, it's just going to rotate through the offers. Okay, so we loaded up 3 offers like we've seen in the previous videos, and each one is getting a percentage of the traffic distribution. Okay, so this one's 33, 33, and 34. The reason this one's 34 is because when you total these up, it equals 100%. Okay, so I'll show you an example. If this was 33 and we try to update the campaign, this is going to pop up. Please correct the following information before saving your campaign. Okay, the split on the active offers must total 100%. It's pretty much self-explanatory because you want it to equal 100% of traffic. So then you can go ahead and turn that one to 34, or turn this one to 30. We'll just turn this one back to 34. Let's click update again. Okay, so anyhow, that's how the traffic is distributed. It has to equal 100%. So what you need to do now is click on this button right here. It's landing pages. You click that and we scroll down and you notice this little window comes up. It says landing pages, landing page name and the URL, landing page 2 name and the URL. Okay, and you could go ahead and click this and add more landing pages, just like you would click here and add more offers. Okay, once you enter in this information, you're going to have to choose the percentage of traffic that's being split amongst the landing pages. Okay, so let's say you had one landing page, and let's just type in anything. So you would type in a name, and I like to name it something that makes me remember what it is. So let's say it was a landing page that had a lot of red on it or blue on it. Then I would just label it red landing page 1 or blue landing page 1. Or if it was an animation landing page, I'll do animation landing page 1, or just something so you can identify it. Okay, just don't be too generic. You don't want to do something like LP1, which is just landing page 1. After a while, you're not even going to know what that is. Okay, you want to be pretty detailed and stay organized, just like how we set up everything else. So for this example, I'll just type in, let's do that one. Let's do red landing page, and then we'll do, well, you know what, let's type in this first. So you would type in the landing page URL where this landing page is located on your server. Okay, I'll just go ahead and type in a random one, doesn't really matter, google.com. okay, but this would actually be the landing page URL. Okay, now you can go ahead and just have one landing page. If you hit this button, it's going to distribute 100% of the traffic to this landing page. You don't have to rotate through multiple landing pages, okay? Even though on default it starts out with 2 different spots. So you could go ahead and add one, and if you click update, bam, there it is. It's actually ready to go. If you were to click the campaign link, it would actually go to the landing page, which would be Google. But again, this should be your landing page URL. Okay, so let me just type that in before everyone types in Google. Basically, that's what it is. Okay, your own landing page URL. So if you wanted to add another landing page in, kind of same thing. So you would add in the URL of, wherever this landing page is at. Okay, so now that there's two in there, if we click this button, notice how it's 50-50 split now. We could go ahead and add another lander, hit that green button, and the traffic will be split again. And it'll be similar to how this is with the three offers up here. Okay, but we can also do this. We can also go ahead and maybe give that one 75% and then give this one 25%. Remember, we have to make it total 100%, okay, for it to work. So let's say we wanted to give more of the traffic to this landing page than this one. We would just go ahead and adjust and then click update. Okay, and there it is, it's saved. So now something that you do need to keep an eye out for, right now it says percentage to landing pages 100%, which means 100% of the traffic that's coming in on the click is going to hit the landing page first. And when it comes to the landing page, it's going to rotate amongst these landing pages, or it's going to just go to whatever landing page that you set in there. So initially we had one landing page, and that's going to get 100% of the traffic, of course, because there's only one page. But now that there's two, we can go ahead and give this one a majority of the traffic and this one less traffic, and we could keep adding more and more landing pages, as many as we want to test. Okay, but for now, when you first start out, it's always good to give each landing page an even distribution. Okay, that way you could get the data on it and know which one's working, and then go ahead and adjust. Okay, and again, here's a little inactive button. If you click this one, it becomes inactive. It's very similar to the inactive button on your offer. Okay, so now once that's inactive, we need to adjust the split percentage back to 100. Okay, so do remember that. If not, it's going to just pop up a little window that says error and you need to adjust it. Okay, so for now, let's leave it like that. But let's go back to this thing right here, percentage to landing page. Now there's a lot of people out there that may want to test direct link versus landing page. Okay, so what you would do is adjust that to 50%. So 50% of the traffic is going to the landing page, and then the remaining 50% will go rotate to these offers. Okay, this is something a lot of people overlook. It's a clever technique to find out if direct linking is working better than a landing page. Okay, and again, you can also adjust that and say 80% of the traffic coming in is going to go to the landing pages, and 20% is going to get sent direct linked. Does that make sense with everybody? Okay, should be pretty simple, self-explanatory. Again, you need to read some of the documentation from the iMobiTrax people. They have a ton of good information, and they go really in depth, a lot more than I can in these videos. Okay, so it's always a good idea to read and learn and watch the tutorials that they have. Okay, so again, we'll just leave that at 100, which means 100% is getting sent into these pages, and then once the 100% of traffic goes into these pages, it's being split 50-50 each. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You have really strong control over how you spread your traffic, which is really important. And again, let me just go over something real quick. Once they are rotated in with these offers, the traffic, once they hit the 100% of the traffic is going to get sent to these landing pages. When somebody gets sent to this landing page, after they click through the landing page and click to the offer, they're going to get rotated through different offers too, okay, depending on the traffic distribution you did for each. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of rotation going on, and a lot of your traffic is getting sent through different funnels. So it's a good way to know exactly what landing page works best with which offer. Okay, so that's the reason why we split test and do everything. Okay, so there's so many different combinations right now. When you run traffic, you're going to find out which one does the best, and that's the whole point of using a landing page. And I suggest you do use a landing page in the adult niche, okay, because you're going to be able to pre-sell people and just improve your overall quality. Now again, if you want to test direct link versus landing page, go ahead and adjust this little thing right here. Okay, make sure you update everything when you're done, and it should be ready to go. Okay, so that's just a brief overview of landing pages. There's another tab here that says path. It's a little bit more advanced, and in my experience, you're going to mainly deal with landing page and direct link. Okay, if you want to learn a little bit more about path, go ahead and read up some tutorials on the iMobi Tracks website and from their support team. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.